Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we made these boxes earlier, which is going to be a floating shelf. It's going to be mounted on the inside here. This is the front of it here. So what I wanted to show you, which is kind of a quick tip here of how to make your own wood filler, and it'll match exactly what you're doing here. So hopefully you guys can see this on the camera here. All the joints are super tight except for right here. There's a little bit of a gap. So I want to make some wood filler to put in there. So this is a kind of a cool little trick I wanted to show you guys. So what you do is take some wood glue, get all this dry glue off the top here, and just get any kind of container that you have, put a little pile in the corner. And then if you don't have, let me grab a block of wood. Best case scenario is if you have an orbital sander that has a dust collector, you sand a little piece of the same type of wood, let dust build up here, and then you can take it out of there and just dump it into the wood glue, mix it around until it gets into a thick consistency, and then you would spread it into the crack that you have to fill, or the nail hole, or whatever it may be. So if you don't have that, then what you can do is just kind of like, almost like you're grating cheese. You would go down with some sandpaper on the wood, create a nice little pile of sawdust here, then take that and put it into the glue. But I do have the orbital sander, so let's go ahead and take this off, and we will shake some of the sawdust. Hopefully you guys can see this. Some of the sawdust in here. It up. Just do a little bit at a time so you can try and make sure that you get the consistency right, because you don't want it to be too thick. You can always add some more wood glue though if you have to. Alright, that seems pretty good. Alright, so let's go ahead and try and put this down here. Try and fill this crack. I'll try and show you guys as best I can. Just take a little bit of this, push it into the joint. It is a little bit darker. I must have had some other wood that I sanded as well that it mixed with, but this is getting stained anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But if you are leaving it bare or natural, you would want to make sure that you use the sawdust from the same type of wood so that it matches perfectly, but this will work. Just go ahead and wipe away the extra here. Seems to be working pretty well. So this is my second series of this type of kind of short video, almost like a YouTube live streaming type of video, or a vlog if you want to call it that. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this in the comments down below. If this, is something you want to see more of. It's definitely easier on me considering the fact I have two little kids and it takes time to edit all the videos and everything. This is kind of nice to just be able to come out here, get some work done, record it while I'm doing it, and then just kind of upload it for you guys right away. So let me know if you want to see some more of these, and I will definitely take that in consideration and do some more videos of this style. Alright, so that's all filled up. That joint looks nice and tight. So there's a little bit over here. You could also use a putty knife or a card scraper or something like that to spread this too if you wanted to, but sometimes your finger just works just as good. Alright, so that's the basics of it. I just wanted to show you guys that little tip real quick. if you don't have any wood filler, if you want to match exactly, like I said, this didn't match exactly because I had some old sawdust in there that must have been a darker type of wood. But you get the gist of what I'm saying. You saw or sand the exact wood that you're doing, then you take that dust, put it in with some wood glue, mix it around until you get a thick consistency, almost like peanut butter, maybe a little bit thicker than peanut butter. Then you spread it in, let it dry up, and then you can sand it, and you'll have a perfect match for some wood filler. So any questions, leave a comment down below. Like I said, let me know if you like this style of video, and I will definitely try and do some more of them for you guys. And we'll catch you next time.